Hi, this is Jenny Lu, and we're going to learn a few acupressure and reflexology points that can help to ease dizziness and vertigo. If you're interested in learning more natural ways to help support the body's self-healing mechanism, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep staying healthy and strong together. Dizziness and vertigo can be caused by many different reasons. If you do have a medical condition, make sure to check with your doctor. But most of the time, dizziness and vertigo are benign because it could be caused by lack of sleep, stress, anxiety, dehydration. Sometimes it's an inner ear imbalance issue. So in this video, we're going to learn a few points to press on our body so we can naturally help to ease the symptom of dizziness and vertigo without side effects from taking medications. So generally speaking, when we feel dizzy, it's actually all of our energy being upside down. So a lot of the heat go into our head, a lot of the heaviness, or just congestion of energy in like your head area. So it's going to cause us going into like a top heavy condition. So that way you don't feel centered, grounded, you feel lightheaded. So what we're going to do with the first point is to help to bring the energy down to the lowest point on our body, down the soles of the feet. So make sure you are comfortable. Seated is great. So if you didn't get a chance to check out my video on reflexology, make sure to check that out. It's on this channel under self-healing. So how we're going to find the point is kidney 1, K1. So sole of your foot, you can cradle your foot with the opposite hand, and then going from the second toe down about third way, down to right under the ball of your foot. So two different ways to access this point or activate this point is to first by making a gentle fist. You're going to tap on that point, just relax your body, exhaling out. So while we're pressing on these points, you want to just also naturally breathe and exhale out through your mouth to release all of that heat, all the stuck energy that's in the head area. So you can tap, breathe out. And with the other foot, I will show you, we can also press. So same thing, second toe down, third way. So kidney 1 is also called bubbling spring or yongquan, right? It's also called earth chakra. So when you walk, it's also really good. So you can use 2 thumbs, press on that point, and just massage and breathe out. Exhale, exhale. Grounding our energy, starting to draw the energy down to your feet. Exhale. Okay, so you can press on these points about 30 seconds to a minute. And then you can also just, even just stamping your feet on the ground will help. Relax the shoulders. Moving on up, you can go to your wrist. So this point, many of you might know already. When you take a plane ride or go on a cruise, you can get those bands, C-bands, to wear on the wrist. So that's pressing precisely on that point I'm going to show you right now. So go with the 3 fingers, the center, right? 3 fingers in the middle, finding the wrist crease from the opposite hand. So you can kind of find it right there. Putting the middle 3 fingers right on the wrist, we're going to find the point. So from your if you look at your index finger, try to go under the knuckle. So not really on the outside of your index finger, but kind of like under the knuckle. So about 2.5 finger width from the wrist crease, finding the point, and you're going to press in between the 2 tendons. Apply pressure. So this is P6 or PC6, pericardium 6. Inner gate, that's the name of the acupressure point, or Neiguan. You can press, breathing out. So this point is great for easing not only dizziness, but for nausea also. So sometimes when you feel dizzy, you definitely don't feel good, right? You feel like nausea. So this is a great point for that. You can use it. And then massage, you can go to the other side. Same thing, wrist crease, 3 fingers. and finding that point underneath the knuckle of your index finger, pressing. So you can even use this point when you get nausea, maybe sometime from taking medication or going through chemotherapy, you might have nausea also. So I use the C-band, or I press this point a lot during my pregnancy for sure, to ease the, nausea. Exhale out. So after pressing this point, you can relax. And we're going to move up. So we talked about how when we have dizziness or vertigo, it's this energy being stuck in the head. So we're going to find a set of points on the base of the skull by taking your hands up. So I will show you how to get there. 4 fingers on top of your head, and then hooking your thumb at the base of your skull. You're going to find the 2 big muscles that support your head, and then just going a little bit to the outside. You're going to find a dip, so kind of hook your thumb under. When I turn around, you can see a little better. So hook the thumb and just massage, circular motion. So this is gallbladder 20. It's called wind pool, feng shi. And this point is great for releasing dizziness, congestion in the head area, headache. That's also another symptom, right? Condition that's caused by just stuck energy in the head area, and even sinusitis. So exhale out, you can close your eyes. Breathing out. And massage. So you can go 30 seconds to about a minute. You probably will get a little tired in the thumbs. So just massage, and just as you breathe out, releasing any stuck energy in your head. Okay, and then relax, shaking out your hand. And the last point we're going to go over for acupressure is you're going to use your index finger, finding the points between the eyebrows. So third eye area in Chinese is called Yin Tang. So press there. And once you find the point, you can close your eyes, pressing, massaging. And again, release through your breath. This is a great point to calm your energy down. So centering your mind. Exhale out, releasing stuck energy, busy thoughts, confusion. You might feel a little gentle pressure or fullness in this point. It's about 30 seconds to a minute is okay. Exhaling out. Great, and then you can slowly rest your hands. Now we're going to go over 2 reflexology points on the hands that's easily accessible. That's also really good for dizziness and vertigo. So sometimes we talked about vertigo or dizziness could be caused by inner ear imbalance. We're going to find the points on the hand. So you're going to separate your fingers like this. So right in between the middle and your ring finger, between the webbing. So with the other hand, index finger, and your thumb, you're going to go massage the webbing between your your middle and your ring finger. So massage, pinch a little bit, relax your shoulders. So this is reflexology points for Eustachian tube, inner ear. So sometimes dizziness or vertigo can be caused by like an inner ear crystal being dislodged. You might have to do maneuver for that, but this is, an easier way to just kind of get to the Eustachian tube. Exhale out. You can do both sides. Exhale, breathe out. Yeah, whatever finger that works. I'm using the middle finger now, so you can use index finger. So the goal is to be able to pinch this webbing. So it might just hurt a little bit. Okay, and then the last point we're going to learn is another reflexology point. So you're going to go now the outside of your ring finger. So with the other index finger, you're going to just climb down all the way to the base of your ring finger and do like a little hook and back up motion as you massage the base of your ring finger. So exhale out as you press here. This is a great point for balance. So of course, when we get dizzy, we do not feel balanced. So press here, exhaling out. You can close your eyes if you feel comfortable. and definitely press both sides. So go to the other hand under. Yeah, so go all the way to the base of your ring finger. Do like a little hook and back motion. So you're pressing on the ring finger toward the ring finger with the other index finger. So it's a little easier to do that hook motion. So exhaling out, relax the shoulders. And if you're able to really stay inside, just really feeling yourself grounded and supported, feeling your feet, soles of your feet firmly planted on the ground. Exhale out. Great, we can afterwards just shake out. So 4 acupressure points and 2 reflexology points to help you ease the symptom of dizziness. And of course, make sure you get plenty of rest, move slowly, get hydrated. And if you like this video and you think someone else can also benefit, like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. And also comment below and let me know how this video worked out for you. And if there's any other ways to naturally heal the body, any other topics you would like to see, let me know, and I will keep putting out content that can be helpful for us to stay healthy and strong together. I will see you in the next video.